I am in my kitchen in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm 60 years old and I am not much of a cook, as you'll probably find out during this video. My wife of 32 years is videotaping me, and let's get started, shall we? I'm going to be cooking Thai chicken with a basil stir fry. It says delicious and easy to make. Make it as spicy as you like. Okay, we'll see what happens. So I have to start by putting 1 quart of water into a pot and bring that and jasmine rice to a boil. First off, I'm left-handed, so I have a hard time with these right-handed contraptions. Let's see, that's a little much there. All right, 1 quart of water. So far, so good. And I'm using jasmine rice that I found at the Asian grocery store down the street. So we'll see. It is bringing the rice and the water to boil in the pot. So here's my 2 quarts of jasmine rice. Shake that up. Cover that up. So now we got to bring that to a boil. So let me see if I hit the right one here. All right. Full blast, because I overcook everything. So that's kind of how I operate. I like everything to be super high intense, and sadly sometimes it gets burnt. All right, so as I'm bringing the rice and the water to boil in the pot, then I cover, reduce the heat to low, and simmer for 20 minutes. So I got a little bit of time here. So what I've got to do now, in a bowl, I'm mixing coconut milk, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, fish sauce, and red pepper flakes. So let's go down, and this is where I start getting in trouble because there's going to be a lot of chopping, I'm afraid, and I'm not really good at chopping. Okay, so coconut milk is 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. That's easy. I punched a can like I used to when I was a little kid drinking beers. Maybe that didn't sound right. When my uncles were drinking beer, I would punch the can for them. This is way back in the prehistoric days before Pop-Tops. All right, let me see, how much is that? 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. Again, got to do the right-handed thing. There's 3/4, 2/3, 3/4. Close enough, right? A little bit over, shouldn't be a big deal, right? All right, I'm going to use this mixing bowl. I think this will be the right size. Let's find out. All right, coconut milk, done. Soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Where's the soy sauce? There it is. 3 tablespoons. I get the tablespoons and the teaspoons confused. Tablespoon. Okay. 3 tablespoons. One, 2, 3. Oops. Oops. Maybe a little bit more. Close enough. All right, soy sauce done. Rice wine vinegar. Okay, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, which it says it's rice vinegar, but the back says that it's identical to rice wine vinegar. So we're going to find out if they're telling me the truth or not. 3 tablespoons. So that's the same tablespoon again. 1, 2, 3. A little more. All right, that's done. Where are we at next? Fish sauce. Yeah, 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce. I now have a lifetime supply of fish sauce. But the guy at the place told me it's really good. But I think, boy, that's a lot of fish sauce. Let's see. And it is how much? 1.5 tablespoons. Okay. That is 1. I'm going to eyeball this. I hope you don't mind. Okay. Good. Fish sauce done. Lifetime supply. Put back into the cabinet. How's that taste? Doesn't taste fishy. Surprising. Red pepper flakes. 3/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Let's see if I can find a teaspoon. 3/4. Here's a half. Here's 1. You know what? 3/4. I don't have a 3/4. I'm gonna have to eyeball it. This is 1. So 3/4. They said I could make it a little spicier though, so it shouldn't get me in trouble, right? It said make it as spicy as you like. Alrighty. I'm gonna make it a little more than 3/4. All right. That is good. 3/4. And in the skillet, heat over medium heat, stir in the blah blah blahs. So we got a little bit. Let's see. What do we got to do here? Chicken strips. Medium onions. 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. 1 medium onion sliced. 1 table. Okay, I got to start with the chopping here. 1 medium onion sliced. Okay. This is, I don't know. This might be bigger than a medium onion. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go with half. See how that works. What do you say? Put that one over here. And, oh, I think I know how to do this. Let's see. Cut there. Cut there. Tear that off. And throw that in there. Okay. Now it says it's sliced, so I'm not sure what they mean by that. 1 medium onion sliced. Stir in the onion. Okay? I don't know. Let's see what we got here. This is where they kind of lose me, unfortunately, because I'm not sure what they mean by sliced. Does that go in there? I'm trying to think. Yeah, it kind of looks like it might. It might just have big hunks of onions, but I'm gonna assume that that's what they want. Maybe cut them up a little bit more. Cut there, cut there, cut there. All right. Okay, so that's the onions. Now this is going to be interesting. 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger root minced. Okay? This is a ginger root. That's all I know. That's a ginger root. And it's supposed to be minced, so I'm not sure. I'm going to guess that it's like a potato, but I don't know for sure. So I'm going to go with that. What do you think? Good guess? Oh, cuts real nice actually. Has kind of a potato touch to it. And I'm sorry I call it a potato. I get in trouble. I guess it's potato, but I'm calling it a potato. Because that's, I don't know, just the way I learned to say it. All right, let's see. Now, okay, so that's the, it smells pretty good. Whoa! Oops. No problem. 5-second rule. Okay, how much of that again? It is 2 tablespoons. Tablespoon? 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm going to try to chop this up and try not to cut my fingers off. Sounds pretty good, huh? Sounds like I know what I'm doing. Now, I think we go like this now. This is ginger root minced. This doesn't really look minced to me, but it's... Let me chop it up a little bit more this way. I'll just kind of mince it. Let's see. It sounds like mincing, doesn't it? I don't know if it's true, but it kind of sounds like it. All right, let's see what we got. How much does that fill? Okay, there's 1. So maybe just a titch more. Alrighty. Smells pretty good. Again, I'm not sure if this qualifies as mincing, but let me give it the, put it in there. Okay, looks pretty good. Toss those over here. A couple more things we have to mince, I believe. 3 cloves of garlic minced. 3 cloves of garlic. I think I saw this on TV. Look at that. Pretty good, huh? 3 cloves minced. Now here's where I get in trouble. Let's see. So we squash it? Is that what we do? We squash it with the knife? Okay. This is not my best work, but, oh, there it is. Okay, it did come off. All right, there's one. Okay, there's number 2. And this had 3 cloves minced, so that we're going to just kind of, we don't have to measure this, which is my favorite part of cooking, is not measuring, is just kind of going with the flow. We got one more thing to mince, and then we should be bringing that to a boil. And let's see, I want to burn my hand. That would be embarrassing. Ooh, Houston, we have a problem. There's no water in there. Where'd the water go? 1 quart of water. Thought I put a quart in. I guess not. All right, let me find mine. Let's see. All right, I gotta put some more water in there. All right. Give that a stir. All right, that looks a little better. I thought I added enough water. Maybe I didn't. Not boiling yet. When it boils, we got to put it down to simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, and in the meantime, let me chop this up. So this is very interesting that I'm on video, because this is a rare occurrence, because normally I'm not allowed in this kitchen without adult supervision, and based on the way I'm cooking here, you can probably see why. So, but anyway, I'm giving it my best shot here. So I got the chopping down pretty good here. I got to get my rice cooking. All right, there's my cloves of garlic minced. Put that over there. I think I got one more thing to chop. Let's see what the rice is doing. Oh, there it is. Good. It's boiling. So now I got to put it on low and let it simmer for 20 minutes, right? Reduce, cover, reduce. Oh, I covered it before I let it boil. That was my mistake. Aha, I see. Okay, so that's where I kind of screwed up. But now, I think I got it right. And we're going to heat it on low and simmer for 20 minutes. So that is low, I believe. Okay, good. 20 minutes. Let me set my timer. Okay. And what do we got? 2 pounds. Now,